Instagram has officially released their new app called Threads. It is a text-based Twitter alternative app, and I'm here to tell you what it's all about. Hey there, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chelsea, and I'm here to help you create content and grow over social media so that you can monetize that content. If that sounds like something that you're into, then click that subscribe button and let's grow together. All right, now let's talk about that Threads app. When you create a new account, you can link it to your current Instagram. Once you connect your Instagram to your Threads account, it filters in your username, your bio, and your link, so it's already done for you. Now, the really cool thing about this Threads app is that once you create your account, it asks you if you'd like to follow all of your current people that you're following on Instagram. Therefore, most other people will follow all of the people that they're already following on Instagram. So if you have a lot of followers, then you're going to get a bunch of followers right off the bat. This way you don't have to start over and do all of the networking that you've already done on Instagram. It just does it for you. When you're posting on the Threads app, just like Twitter, you can post a photo or a video along with your text. When you do post this, you can add it to Instagram as well. You can add it to your story or you can add it to your feed. Keep in mind when posting on the Threads app that Instagram does not currently have the edit feature. So just make sure that you check your work and make sure there's no spelling mistakes. This is a great way to repurpose the content that's on your Threads onto your Instagram so that anybody who's not currently on Threads or doesn't follow you on Threads but follows you on Instagram, then you can bring them over to the Threads app and follow you over there. Instagram has now added a badge to your bio if you do have a Threads account so that anybody who comes across your bio can actually click on that link and then find you over on the Threads app. Just like any new Instagram feature, the quicker you adapt, the more the algorithm is gonna love you. So if you're not already on Threads, then I suggest getting on it right away. And if you're not sure what to post, then just start posting daily thoughts until you figure out what works for you and your niche. This platform is still so new. So just have fun with it and let it evolve into its own space. If you've started using Threads already, I wanna know what your thoughts are about it. So let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Stay weird, friend.